Guys, how's everybody doing? What's up? It's Mark. Hope you guys are enjoying the beginning of this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're still here, thanks for watching. With that said, behind me is one of my favorite trucks. This, my friends, is a 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Duramax 2500 6.6 liter 4x4. Awesome truck. Why is it? It's the cream of the crop of pickup trucks, in my opinion. It's got every option that you can want. The drivability is fantastic. The size of the lift kit's probably perfect, in my opinion. It's got amp research electric step rails. It's got beautiful 35-inch tires on it. It's got 20x12 hostile wheels on it. I'm sorry, 22x12. I was off. And we're gonna take a further look at it, why I like it so much, and what the best features of the truck are. And furthermore, it's for sale. Without further ado, let's get started. Check it out. So first thing you're going to notice is obviously it's lifted. This has a 4 to 6 inch. It's labeled as a 4 to 6 inch CTS. That stands for California Super Truck. Suspension lift kit system on it. Awesome setup. It's got aftermarket fog lights. It's got the beautiful headlights with the C halo GMC Denali type of deal going. Beautiful turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. One of my favorite features. And I can't get it to go off, but anyways, whatever. That flashes nice and amber, and you get the picture. Huge bright lights right here. Mirrors incorporate, turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. Denali HD is 2500. Fox shocks, Cognito upper control arms. The truck is from Texas. Obviously, as you can see, the frame is beautiful. Denali Duramax 6.6 with the Allison transmission. The paint is a beautiful graphite gray. Super metallic and nice. I really love it. Then, like I said, this has a 4 to 6 inch adjustable by torsion bar. CTS suspension lift kit system on it. The wheels are 22x12 hostile wheel, black barrel with a machine and black face. And it's wrapped around a set of, Toyos are wrapped around a set of it. It's a set of 35, 1250, 22-inch Toyo Open Country ATs. That's all-terrain tires. You still get the aggressive look, but you also have the road that is very easy to drive and not so much road noise. It's got bushwhacker fender flares on it, as you can see. Gives it a nice and aggressive look. They stick out because some states have different bylaws and regulations as to how far the tires can stick out. That gives you a little bit of more of that girth. Also, it prevents the rocks from flying up and damaging the side of your truck and everything. Sunroof, backup camera, navigation, full 5-inch MBRP turbo back exhaust system all the way through. You want to see the underside of the truck? There it is. Full 5-inch all the way back. Absolutely beautiful underneath. Like I said, amp research step rails. I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna play more videos at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm not gonna lose your interest in it, I promise. Amp research step rails. We'll get to the interior in a minute. It smells clean. This truck was like, whoever owned it took really good care of it. It's immaculate inside, and there you go. You can see the color because the sun's shining. An absolutely beautiful metallic flake. The exhaust sounds tough. I'll do a few more videos at the end. Backup camera. It's got the blacked out GMC logos incorporated. One of my favorite parts of this truck. Super hard, super stiff, Retrax locking bed cover. Can't push it. You get the key right here. Here's the keys right here. Remote start and everything. It's got two keys, one of which is the one for the bed cover. Let me show you how this works. Put the key in, turn it, open it, push it. This little thing flops up. Whoa, I'm dropping my keys now. Open the slow adjustable tailgate. Easy drop tailgate. Pull this up. The torsion bar goes down. You slide it all the way back. Denali right there, and the spray and bed liner, factory spray and bed liner. This goes all the way back. You can lock it back up and close it. Watertight. It looks beautiful, and it is. You got the anchors right here, and it's just an awesome truck. Close it like that. Lock it back in place. Get the key, the Retrax key right here. You lock it back up. Push the button, doesn't unlock. Close the watertight cover for it. And the bed cover, or the bed tailgate. And there you go. And also locks the tailgate when you hit the button too. So hit the button. Locked. Locked. Awesome feature. It really is. It's flush. It only sits about a quarter of an inch to maybe a quarter of an inch high above the factory bed, so you can hardly notice it. One of my favorite features. It really is. And the truck's just so well put together. It doesn't rub when you turn full right, left. Has been trimmed in the front, and I'll show you a little bit more of that in a second. You can see the valance cut right there, but to get the proper clearance, you're gonna need to do that. There's the halo headlights. I got them to work, and they're off now. We'll take a look at the inside, then we'll pop the hood of the power plant. First off, Amp Electric's FASS fuel pump system right here. A little dirty, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean them up. It's FASS 190 fuel pump system, I wanna say, or 165. Interior, Denali door sills. Over here, we're gonna pump it on. I'll show you real quick. So the inside, first thing you'll notice, absolutely gorgeous truck. Everything right at your fingertips. Heated steering wheel, collision alert system. All your controls are incorporated into the steering wheel. You can control them by here. Heated seats, cooled seats, pedal adjust, traction control, lights that go on the mirrors in the back of the tailgate, backup sensors, lane alert, downhill descent, exhaust brakes. So when you're towing something, awesome feature. Sunroof. The best part about my son loves, I'll probably leave this Paw Patrol video in here. Huge TV screen. Rear entertainment, and the headphones sorry, all my stuff's in here. The headphones to go with it, all the headphones to go with it. So everything is just really well put together. One of my favorite trucks. Mileage, let's pump the mileage. Hopefully my Bluetooth doesn't kick on. I'm gonna try not to do that. All right, don't kick on Bluetooth. Hold on, pump. There we go. 109,838. Four-wheel drive, everything works on it. Factory OEM WeatherTech style floor mats, like all weather floor mats with the beautiful aluminum GMC incorporated into them. Bose sound system, power folding mirrors, memory seats. I mean, the list can go on and on and on. Here's the VIN number if you guys want to check it out. It's from Texas, the door jam, it's from San Antonio, Texas, I believe. Or one of those southern states, I don't know. Anywho, everything's clean on it. The gas cap's clean. The truck is a phenomenally clean truck. Here's the back seat. All weather floor mats all the way through the back, factory OEM. The headliner's clean. It smells good inside. And beautiful wood grain. I love how it's incorporated into the truck. And I think that's all really about the truck that I can describe. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. 540-898-3025 is the main office. Ask for Mark. This one is for sale. So hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, visit www.superiorwholesale.org and look to the link for this truck. Should have all the description of any questions you have right there, including this video. Signing out. I will holler at you guys later. Take care. Over and out.